When it comes to selecting a favorite travel destination, Italy has been one of the top contenders in the world for decades. To find out why, we will show you some of the best places to visit in this classic gem along the Mediterranean. Lake Garda, located in northern Italy, is the country's largest lake and a captivating destination known for its natural beauty, charming towns, and diverse landscapes. Surrounded by the regions of Lombardy, Veneto, and Trentino Alto Adige, the lake stretches over 50 kilometers in length and is framed by dramatic mountains to the north and rolling hills and vineyards to the south. Its crystal-clear waters shimmer in shades of blue and green, offering perfect conditions for swimming, sailing, and windsurfing. Picturesque towns like Sirmione, with its historic Scaliger Castle and Roman ruins, and Malsicine, home to a medieval fortress and cable car to Monte Baldo, attract visitors from around the world. The region's mild Mediterranean climate supports lush vegetation, including olive trees, lemon groves, and cypresses, lending the lake a distinctly serene and inviting atmosphere. Lake Garda is also a haven for food lovers, offering traditional Italian cuisine, with local specialties such as freshwater fish, olive oil, and fine wines. Visitors can enjoy scenic boat rides, lakeside promenades, and cultural festivals throughout the year. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or cultural exploration, Lake Garda seamlessly combines natural splendor with rich history and vibrant Italian charm, making it a must-visit destination in Italy. Tuscany, located in central Italy, is a region renowned for its breathtaking landscapes, rich cultural heritage, and world-class art. Rolling hills dotted with cypress trees, vineyards, and medieval hilltop towns create a timeless countryside that has inspired painters, poets, and travelers for centuries. Tuscany is the heart of the Italian Renaissance, home to artistic and historical treasures that have shaped Western culture. Florence, the region's capital, is a cultural hub filled with masterpieces by Michelangelo, Leonardo da Vinci, and Botticelli. Nearby cities like Siena, with its stunning cathedral and famous Palio horse race, and Pisa, with its iconic Leaning Tower, add to Tuscany's historic allure. Smaller towns such as San Gimignano, Volterra, and Cortona offer charming glimpses into medieval life and local traditions. Tuscany is also a paradise for food and wine lovers. It's the birthplace of Chianti wine and known for rustic, flavorful cuisine featuring fresh local ingredients like ribollita, papa al pomodoro, and bistecca alla fiorentina. Olive oil, truffles, and pecorino cheese are also regional specialties. Whether exploring ancient streets, savoring vineyard views, or relaxing in thermal baths, Tuscany offers a perfect blend of art, history, gastronomy, and natural beauty, making it one of Italy's most beloved and unforgettable destinations. Portofino is a picturesque coastal village located on the Italian Riviera in the Liguria region. Known for its colorful harbor, luxury yachts, and charming pastel-colored buildings, Portofino is a favorite destination for travelers seeking beauty, elegance, and a touch of glamour. Once a quiet fishing village, it has become a renowned resort town, visited by celebrities, artists, and international jet-setters. The heart of Portofino is its small, semicircular harbor, lined with chic boutiques, seafood restaurants, and cafes, all nestled between lush green hills and the sparkling turquoise waters of the Ligurian Sea. The iconic Church of St. George and the Castello Brown, a historic fortress offering panoramic views, sit atop the hill and can be reached by a scenic walk through fragrant Mediterranean vegetation. Portofino is also a gateway to natural beauty. The surrounding Portofino Regional Park offers scenic hiking trails with stunning coastal views, while the marine protected area provides opportunities for diving and snorkeling in crystal-clear waters. Despite its upscale reputation, the town maintains a relaxed and intimate atmosphere. With its blend of natural charm, cultural heritage, and refined elegance, Portofino is a gem of the Italian coastline, a perfect destination for those looking to unwind in one of Italy's most enchanting seaside settings. Venice, the enchanting city built on water, is one of Italy's most iconic and romantic destinations. Located in northeastern Italy, Venice is spread across 118 small islands connected by over 400 bridges and separated by a network of canals. The city's heart is the Grand Canal, a bustling waterway lined with magnificent palaces, churches, and historic buildings that showcase centuries of Venetian wealth and artistry. At the center of Venice lies the stunning Piazza San Marco, home to the majestic St. Mark's Basilica with its gleaming mosaics, and the elegant Doge's Palace, a masterpiece of Gothic architecture. Nearby, the Campanile offers panoramic views over the city's rooftops and shimmering lagoon. Venice is known for its unique charm. Gondolas gliding through quiet canals, hidden alleyways leading to charming squares, and the soft echo of footsteps on ancient stone streets. The city is also a cultural hub, hosting world-famous events like the Venice Biennale and the Venice Film Festival. Despite its popularity, the city retains a dreamlike, timeless atmosphere, where every corner reveals beauty, mystery, and a deep connection to its maritime past. Florence, the capital of Italy's Tuscany region, is a city of extraordinary art, history, and culture. Known as the cradle of the Renaissance, Florence gave birth to some of the world's greatest artists, thinkers, and architects, including Michelangelo, Leonardo da Vinci, and Brunelleschi. Its historic center is a living museum filled with masterpieces and architectural marvels. The city's iconic landmark, the Florence Cathedral, Duomo, with its striking red-tiled dome designed by Brunelleschi, dominates the skyline. Nearby, the Uffizi Gallery houses a world-renowned collection of Renaissance art, including works by Botticelli, Raphael, and Caravaggio. The Ponte Vecchio, a medieval stone bridge lined with jewelry shops, spans the Arno River and adds to the city's charm. Florence is also celebrated for its vibrant street life, bustling markets, and excellent cuisine. With its elegant palaces, peaceful gardens, and artisan workshops, Florence offers a perfect blend of culture, history, and Italian flair. Whether you're admiring priceless artworks, strolling through historic piazzas, or enjoying a gelato by the river, Florence captivates with its timeless beauty and rich heritage. San Gimignano, often referred to as the medieval Manhattan, is a striking hilltop town in Tuscany, famous for its well-preserved medieval towers that dominate the skyline. Surrounded by rolling vineyards and olive groves, the town offers a journey back in time with its cobbled streets, stone buildings, and centuries-old charm. Once a wealthy and powerful stop along the Via Francigena, a major pilgrimage route, San Gimignano was home to over 70 towers built by noble families as symbols of status and power. Today, 14 of these towers remain, creating a dramatic and unique silhouette visible from afar. The town's historic center, another UNESCO World Heritage Site, is filled with artistic and architectural treasures, including the Romanesque Collegiate Church with its vivid frescoes and the Palazzo del Popolo, home to the Civic Museum. Visitors can enjoy wine tastings, traditional Tuscan cuisine, and breathtaking views of the surrounding countryside. Despite its small size, San Gimignano offers a rich cultural experience. Whether exploring its ancient towers, savoring local flavors, or simply soaking in the scenic beauty, this charming town captures the timeless spirit of Tuscany. Pisa, another marvelous historic city in Tuscany, is best known for its world-famous Leaning Tower. Once a powerful maritime republic, Pisa boasts a rich history, impressive architecture, and a lively cultural scene that extends beyond its iconic landmark. The Leaning Tower, part of the Piazza dei Miracoli, Square of Miracles, is a striking example of Romanesque architecture and draws visitors from around the world. Alongside it stand the magnificent Cathedral of Santa Maria Assunta and the Baptistery, both adorned with intricate marble details and historic artwork. Pisa has one of Italy's oldest universities, the University of Pisa, founded in 1343. Pisa's riverfront along the Arno is lined with elegant palaces and offers a picturesque setting for a leisurely stroll. Beyond its monuments, Pisa features charming neighborhoods, lively cafes, and traditional Tuscan cuisine. Dishes like cecina, a chickpea flour pancake, and local wines give visitors a taste of authentic regional flavors. With its blend of artistic heritage, academic spirit, and architectural beauty, Pisa is more than just its leaning tower. It's a city with depth, character, and timeless charm. Palermo, the vibrant capital of Sicily, is a city where history, culture, and diverse influences come together in a captivating blend. Located on Sicily's northwestern coast, Palermo boasts over 2,700 years of history, shaped by a rich tapestry of civilizations, including the Phoenicians, Greeks, Romans, Arabs, Normans, and Spanish, each leaving their mark on the city's art, architecture, and cuisine. Walking through Palermo is like exploring an open-air museum. The historic center is filled with architectural marvels, such as the Palatine Chapel, a stunning example of Arab Norman Byzantine art, and the Palermo Cathedral, with its unique fusion of Gothic, Moorish, and Baroque styles. The bustling Quattro Canti intersection and the nearby Piazza Pretoria with its ornate fountain are must-see landmarks. Palermo is equally famous for its lively street markets, like Ballarò and Vucciria, where the energy is high and the aromas of Sicilian street food fill the air. The city also has a dynamic cultural scene, with theaters, galleries, and festivals celebrating its artistic spirit. Despite its urban chaos, Palermo has a soul, gritty, passionate, and deeply welcoming. With its sun-drenched coastline, layers of history, and warm Mediterranean atmosphere, Palermo offers an unforgettable experience that reflects the complex and colorful identity of Sicily itself. Naples, located in southern Italy along the Bay of Naples, is a city bursting with energy, history, and vibrant culture. As one of the oldest continuously inhabited cities in Europe, Naples offers a unique blend of ancient heritage and modern life. Its historic center is a maze of narrow streets, Baroque churches, underground catacombs, and bustling markets that reflect the city's rich and complex past. Over the centuries, Naples has been shaped by Greek, Roman, Norman, and Spanish influences, all of which are evident in its art, architecture, and traditions. Landmarks such as the Santa Chiara Church and Monastery and the Royal Palace of Naples stand as testaments to its storied history. Just outside the city, the ruins of Pompeii and Herculaneum offer a fascinating glimpse into life during the Roman Empire. Naples is also the birthplace of the pizza, and its culinary scene is deeply rooted in local ingredients and traditions. From classic margherita pizza to fresh seafood and pastries like sfogliatella, the city is a paradise for food lovers. With the dramatic backdrop of Mount Vesuvius and the shimmering waters of the Mediterranean, Naples is a city of contrasts, gritty yet beautiful, chaotic yet soulful, offering visitors an authentic and unforgettable Italian experience. And finally, we focus on Rome, the capital of Italy and one of the most historically significant cities in the world. It's a captivating blend of ancient ruins, vibrant street life, and timeless beauty. Known as the Eternal City, Rome has been a center of power, culture, and religion for over 2,500 years. Walking through its streets is like stepping into a living museum, where layers of history coexist with modern-day life. At the heart of ancient Rome lies the Colosseum, a grand amphitheater that once hosted gladiator battles, and the Roman Forum, the political and social center of the empire. Nearby stands the Pantheon, an architectural marvel with its massive dome and oculus. The city's historic grandeur continues with St. Peter's Basilica and the Vatican Museums, home to Michelangelo's Sistine Chapel ceiling and countless masterpieces of Renaissance art. Rome is also a city of charming piazzas, elegant fountains, and bustling markets. Iconic landmarks like the Trevi Fountain, Spanish Steps, and Piazza Navona are must-see attractions, each offering a unique slice of Roman life. Trastevere, one of the city's oldest neighborhoods, is perfect for exploring narrow cobblestone streets, local trattorias, and authentic Roman cuisine. From ancient wonders to modern fashion, Rome is a city of contrasts and continuity. Whether admiring centuries-old art, sipping espresso in a cozy square, or simply enjoying the rhythm of Roman life, visitors are constantly reminded why Rome has captivated hearts for millennia. It's a city that never stops inspiring, a place where history and the present day exist in perfect harmony. We hope you've enjoyed this episode on one of Europe's greatest holiday destinations, Italy. Keep your eyes open for the next video on our channel, Ultra Amazing Travel. It will be out soon.